Hi, myself Dr. Pritham Dev. I am a consulting radiologist in the LHRC Hospital, Hujai district of Assam. And I have come here for a workshop of MSK Ultrasound under Dr. Kanchan Sharma ma'am. It was a pleasant and very good experience gained by me under Dr. Kanchan ma'am. Especially the small tricks and tips which ma'am gave us during the entire workshop, especially during the ultrasound of shoulder. I found it very essential. It helped me to learn and do faster techniques in diagnosis, and which will ultimately lead to accurate management of the patient and for therapeutic or interventions part also. And the small steps or the small tricks ma'am taught us was very helpful for faster acquisition of the image and positioning of the patient for image acquisition. It was very helpful. And earlier also I have done an MSK workshop, which was also good, but this time it was something different, and certain tips and tricks were different from the bookish written in the main books. So it really helped me in realizing, and it helped me in diagnosing part and positioning and of the patient, and see all the normal structures very smoothly and quickly for easier diagnosis and therapeutic interventions also. And in this way, this workshop of 2 days, though MSK is a huge part and lots of things are there, but all the basics things and few advanced things were also taught, which comprised of all the joints of the body and all the part MSK intervention which could be made possible. And I am very much thankful to ma'am for guiding me in these 2 days, and it was a very wonderful experience for me. Thank you.